Huh. Well, we'll be the judge. Hey guys, welcome back. Chuck, House of Turds, House of Horrors, House of Mopar. Yeah, I'm walking around the other day talking to myself, much like I am right now. And I'm like, House of Turds. Anyway, I'll keep this short and sweet. Yeah, I had to go, I got this thing. This is my daughter's car, her first car. She bought her first car now. And on her own, had one of these. And new car's got one of these. She got another Mazda. These are good little cars. I don't care what you say. But now I've got it, and it had a lot of issues. It had some issues. The bumper cover's wrecked. Fortunately, there was one. Unfortunately, there was one down there in the yard, but it had been in a wreck, and the corner was bad. So I needed a mirror, dome light, and yeah, I did a pretty good scourge. I'd sure like to find a black hood because this one's a little wrecked. Anyway, that's enough about that. That's Chuck's problem today. When I'm walking around, I was at Speedway. I did the loop of St. Louis. That's what I call it. I hit the yards. Actually, I didn't go into Missouri, but Speedway Salvage down by the Gateway racetrack. I don't know what town that is. Mitchell, maybe? Mitchell? Anyway, they had a whole bunch of cars. I forget now if there was any Mopars in there, and then I'm going to show those to you because they're cool. And maybe somebody that watches this video might go and say, hey, I'm going to call those guys. I need that quarter panel. And then 111 Salvage is another one I used to go to a lot. Those guys gave me a t-shirt one time like they had because I went in so much, threw it at me, and I was excited. Anyway, all right, enough about that. I got to do some work on this. Struts, shocks, spark plugs. It should be awesome. All right, here we go. Yeah, I know. It's a Maverick. But you know what? You got to respect a junkyard, salvage yard that doesn't throw everything away. This is in the cool stuff area. AMC something. Matador, I don't know. That's not a Matador. And then look at here. Ford guys. Not that there's too many on this channel. This is cool. She's rusty. Missing a bunch. Missing a door. AMC what? Who cares, huh? Spirit? AMC Spirit? Alright. Let's see if we can find any Mopars in this yard. Well, that door's good. Alright, good enough. Whatever. Ford. Four-door, I have no idea what year. Early. It's got the lovely seafoam green. That's cool. Yep, that ain't bad. I don't know if these things got any titles, but I'm not buying it. Anyway, Pinto, Chevette, Ford area. This is probably... It's a later one, maybe. The ones that didn't blow. Yeah. 67 Rambler. Something. There's one door. Big ass gas tank. Huh. Oh hell, all four doors are here. That AMC guy's missing a fender. Plates. American Motors, Photo. It really did. F-O-D-O-R. Funny. Oh, look at this detail. That's kind of cool. This right here. Right up. Right now. Yep. Interesting. The hell is this thing? Is that Tornado or something? Another car in the yard, waiting to be saved. Yeah, saved, whatever. Kill myself. That fender's nice. That one's not. Good quarters.
That's either old Cutlass or a Buick.
Behind it?
Yeah, this one here. It's got that fastback roof or what like.
What's this thing? It looks like Nash roof to me, but I don't know. It says it's got a V8. Missing a little. Wait a minute, it is a Studebaker. It says right there. Yep.
Says on there?
Yep.
Yeah, right here.
These guys are out here too, just looking. Yeah. There's the rose among the thorns. I've been over here for a while. I actually did a video on, or a clip on this. I was going to show you guys. I got parts from this. There's some wheel studs. 54 Savoy. Hood's off now. Straight 6, I guess. Yeah. There's the air cleaner. Nobody wants that, do they? She's rusty. Yeah, what the hell happened to the doors? They rust off. The interior, oh, somebody's been here. Yeah, I'll show you guys the other clip. It was, sucker was actually fairly, what the hell happened here? She just rust off. There's a number, vehicle number. I gotta grab that, it'll probably work. Yeah, I'll show you this, and then I'll cut to the other ones that I have. But yeah, I got that. I don't know what all I got. That, this. Okay. Ouch. Tetanus too while I'm here. But yeah, I did. Wow. Oh, she's so rusty. God, I wish that trim would work for my car. I don't think it does, because that's some sweet ass trim right there. Pretty trim. Taillights are gone. All right, there she is. I'm gonna cut to the other video so you can see what was left. Just came up on this at the salvage yard. Ran one part. It's a cool plate. Plymouth. I don't know what year, 50. Check it out. The seats are in remarkable shape. The headliner's good. Somebody got the radio, nicked the radio. Huh. Immaculate 3 on the tree, I suppose. Wow. Yeah. I've seen worse door cards. 111 Salvage. St. Louis metro area. What do they do here? Oh, event, the heat. Comes with tires. Savoy. What was the first year for the Savoy? 53, I don't know. What's that say? 1962. Didn't appear to have been on the, well, 10 years on the ground, on the road. Cool. Buick Olds. Don't know. Everything's de-identified. Don't know. Got a wagon. I think it's a Ford. Those are Ford head. Those aren't handles, aren't they? Folks had a Ford white one. Ambulance. We thought it was. Huh. Cannon valves. And of course, it's that 65 T-Bird. Birds. Let's see. 77 Ford LTD. Might find the bucket seats from one of these. Cool console. Cataract, I suppose. Convertible. Done at home. Phi Aero. Another AMC. Something. Another Ford. Oh, it's convertible. Hell. And what the hell is this? Chubby of some sort? I don't know. Don't know. Wow. This is cool. I'm sure there's no titles. Not too many Mopars around here though, boys. Here's a Jeep. Looking like Jeeps used to back home. Yeah. Another Jeep. And another Jeep. Is that an old? Like I know. Kind of looked like an old front end, didn't it? 65 something. Yeah, that'd be my guess. What do I know? Watch your ass out there. Old Chevy. I'm somewhere else now. Bondo. This valence here is perfect. I don't know what this fits. It's 111 salvage, boys. Hell, that bumper's not the worst thing. Look at that. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. Does it say? Probably says there. It's faded. AAA Missouri. I think you should buy it.
I think you.
Foggy. Chilly. Turd's doing better. Well, what'd you think? You won't be able to see me for a minute walking in. Yeah, so I went down to the yard looking to get parts for truck, car stuff, and the cars were there. I'm like, holy crap, let's just look at these and show you guys if you'd like to see them. Maybe somebody will find something they want. So I get, I spent a lot of time on a 77 LTD wagon, maybe skipped over a 66 Galaxy Ford. But like I said, it's all in plan. Anyway, yeah, pretty cool stuff. That's 2 yards. So one is called Speedway Salvage. It's in the Metro East of St. Louis. I don't know what town it is. And the other one's called 111 Salvage, and they happen to both be on Illinois 111. So, yeah, you can go to the one and go to the other. Most of the cars were in Speedway. The Savoy and that 64 Chevy, they were actually at 111. I scored some stuff. Somebody went through that Savoy, as you could see, from the 2 clips. I actually had gotten these early to put in my car here just because they're, but these are different because mine are just terrible. And I'll be dang, I pulled it out today and I ripped it somewhere along the way, you know, probably because it's just laying on the floorboards of the car here. That sucks. They wouldn't fit, like I said. I scored the little Stant radiator cap off the 64. Found me a neat little funnel out there while I'm at it. And yeah, so with all that being said, I'm going to slow down, guys. This is a Saturday after Thanksgiving. I really don't have anything to do around. I always have something to do around here. It's getting the ambition worked up to get out here. Last weekend, I missed the McCacken Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals in Chicago, where I had been waiting to go all year, but then I didn't plan my time correctly. I couldn't go. Well, Ferris Motors, Jack Ferris from my hometown Savannah, they were debuting their car. Somebody bought the original car, 67 RO23 Hemi, you know, Belvedere 2. So it was debuted, and turns out that there was sequential numbers, 3 sequential RO23 cars, the factory Hemi race car, cross ram, all that. I don't know who the first guy was, but it said it was prepped by Jenkins, Grumpy Jenkins. Second one was Sox and Martin car, and then Jack's car, which he only raced for 1 year. Also up there, and during all that, my school teacher, Mrs. Ferris, she was there, my kindergarten teacher, and her daughter, and a whole bunch of other guys I knew growing up. I was just like, I don't want to see any more pictures of that because it just bums me out. You guys remember the Hurricane Superbird in the Daytona? They got blown out of the garage down there. That was there. There's a place called Magnum Restorations. They're going to be doing the resto on that, and it's in LaSalle, Illinois, just on the southwest of Chicago up there. It'd be fun to go. It's mostly a Mopar shop, and they're just up the road about 3 hours and change. So, yeah, whatever. Jump in something and go. Yeah, I'm not just, I got long-term stuff going on. This car runs great, but I thought, well, that engine restore, let's see if we can run a deal on that. So I'm actually going to do a 1,000-mile test on that at 500 and 1,000 compression numbers. Don't go freezing that. So yeah, I did a compression test at baseline, and I did another one at 500 and going on. And now I know you're going to go right back and look. And I've also got other plans. That's my buddy Johnny's 5.9 Magnum out of his, what was that, 96 pickup truck that I got the dash for my truck, my 96. Anyway, yeah, so I was going to the junk pile. You know, what are you going to do? You can't keep this crap forever, and it's heavy and it takes up space. So it's been in the back of my truck for about 2 weeks now. Yeah, because I would like to do a 5-speed swap with a Magnum engine in this. Someday, Chuck, future Chuck. And also, I'll be honest with you, why I couldn't hit McCacken. You see, you guys may have noticed this ramp right here. That's not a big wheel ramp for jumping, you know, the Snake River Canyon. Yeah, I've got other issues here that keep me in here, which is why I also F with these cars so much, you know, just because it keeps me from losing my mind sometimes. But yeah, it also kept me from going to McCacken, and that's okay. Tough shit, you know. Other than that, that's a little bit of the backstory around here. As always, I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. See ya.